Abaqeda unkala basebemhlalisa phansi benchini wamabhenji nje lapha nokubona kuba akungena khona abantu.
Then after the measurements were taken, they now made me sit on the benches because that area it has benches where people come and sit there.
Basebetha ngigumule amateki ngikhuphule ibhluku yabo.
They then said I should remove my tekis and pull up the trouser. They then went on and checking my food, looking at it. I have an injury on my leg or my foot, and they asked what caused it.
And
my response to them was that I got injured long time ago whilst I was still growing up. And then one of them made a comment saying that I was lying, insinuating that was I not shot at some point in that leg. He said the wound looks like a bullet wound.
He was at the peak of his career. Who did not like that?
Is this just...
I'll say it was a hit.
Where is the mastermind?
Thank you, Brigadier.
Okay.
Thank you, Mother. Thank you, Mr. Mnubi. Let us proceed. Ne? You know, Mr. Mnubi, everybody would be wondering as to, but how did it happen that Mr. Mnubi should find himself here at court? We have not heard how he actually got arrested. Can you briefly tell this court how did you get to find yourself standing there where you are or in the accused dock?
Abantu abaningi bayazibuza nje ukuthi uza njani ukuthi wena uboshwe uzithola la enkantolo ke la eboxini ke ungazama mhlambe ke usitshele noma utshela inkantolo ukuthi ke kuze njani ukuthi wena uzuboshwe.
Kwafika nje amaphoyisa ejele bengisejele lase Johannesburg.
My lord, I was in prison in Johannesburg prison and police officials came to me.
Kwafika amaphoyisa nje ejele angisakhuluma wangabo 3 nowangabo 4.
When was that? When was that?
2020, 30 June.
It was in 2020 on the 30th of June. Police officials came. I cannot recall the time. It was around 3.
3-4 somewhere.
Around 3 or 4. I cannot recall.
But ngiyabizwa phambili reception.
I was told by them that my presence is required at the reception.
Sahamba sa reception, mangifike reception ngafica amaphoyisa ama-SAPS ma-refer private.
We then proceeded to the reception. When we got there, I found police officials in civilian clothes.
Nama-mask wesikhathi corona.
And they also had a mask on since it was that time during the COVID era.
Ilapha abafika khona-ke bathi beze kimi bazongikala, bazothatha iminwe, bazothatha ama-measurement ey'nyawo, uyabona.
They said to me their reason for being there was to take measurements from me, fingerprints, and also measure my foot.
Now, who says to you they were there to take your measurements, your fingerprints, and your weighing? Are these not the police who fetched you where you were, or these ones who have come to visit you?
Manje ke abobani labo ke bebenza konke lokho ukukala nothatha iminwe ilamaphoyisa la kulande lapha ejele noma labo wafica lapha reception.
No, those who said they were there to do those things.
Or labo bethe bebe lapho ukwenza khona lokho nje.
Ababengikala babenza nje yonke into amaphoyisa lama-SAPS angathola reception.
The police who were doing the measurements and every other thing are the officers, SAPS police that I found at the reception.
So they arrived at the place where, you were incarcerated, and you were fetched from the section, and they brought you to the members of the correctional services fetched you from where you were. They brought you to the reception where these subs members that you said were in a private uniform were waiting.
Uthi-ke amaphoyisa lawa asebenza lapha ejele akulandele lapho uhlala khona kule section ohlala kuyona bakuyisa lapha e-reception lapho wafica khona amaphoyisa lawe awe-South African Police.
Yebo bangithatha labasejele bangisa khona lapha e-reception, but sasekwenye indawo yokuvizithela kungena kuyabantu ababezobona iboshwa.
Okay.
Yes, your statement is correct. However, we're in a certain place where it's like a visiting area.
Right.
Lapho abase bengishutha-ke bangigala-ke omunye wabo ngoba angisakhuluma babe u-6 or 7 ngoba abanye babo ngibabona sengibabona manje la ukuthi obani.
And then they took bakushuta thatha isonto zakho.
Yebo ngoba bangisodongweni lo munye othi mangigala bebeshutha.
Okay, yes, they made me stand behind the wall, and when they were taking me pictures, there was this other one who was doing the measurements.
Now, Mr. Mngube, let us try to take it step by step.
Okay.
You first from the section where you were housed, you are brought to the reception. At the reception, you're meeting these people. Did they introduce themselves?
Manje ke masiphinde sibone ke sibeke kahle le ndaba sokwazi ukuzwisisa. Uye wasiswa kule ndawo lohlala kuyona kule section ohlala kuyona wase uyiswa lapha e-reception wase uhlangana ke nawo lamaphoyisa. So lamaphoyisa lawa wona ke baye bazichaza ukuthi bawobani.
Mangifika e-reception iphoyisa ngafika ngakhuluma nalo kuqala kodwa kwakugininda.
When I got to the reception, my lord, the first police official I spoke to was Gininda. Because he asked me if I was Carlos.
Why do you say it was Brigadier Gininda?
No, ngishuthi emva kwesikhathi la ngibona khona la masilokusi lapha nabo. La wayegqoke nemtheke ebhalwe igama lakhe. Usibongo.
Okay, whilst we were still there, I saw the name tag that he had on, and it had the surname Gininda. The only thing that he requested from me was my card that I get from the prison.
Yes.
He looked at the card, then handed the card back to me.
Bafuna ukuthathela ukuza iminwe yami ukungala nasenyaweni yonke indawo.
And then the other police officials now took over, and then they mentioned that they are there to take measurements, fingerprints, and also take the measurement of my foot. And then whilst I was standing just next to the wall, they took measurements at the same time, taking pictures of myself. Then after the measurements were taken, they now made me sit on the benches, because that area, it has benches where people come and sit there. They then said I should remove my tekis and pull up the trouser. They then went on and checking my food, looking at it.
I
have an injury on my leg or my foot, and they asked what caused it. And my response to them was that I got injured long time ago whilst I was still growing up. And then one of them made a comment saying that I was lying, insinuating that was I not shot at some point in that leg.
bathiwa ingathi inxeba kuza lo hlavu lwesibhamu lawo.
He said the wound looks like a bullet wound.
Angithi azange ngidubuleke.
And my response was like, no, I was never shot there.
Bese bengisusa lapho mangiqede bathi angigqoke lapho bese ngiya kwelinye itafula lapho elalimi khona uGininda noMkhulu.
And then after they requested that I put on
bathi ngigqoke icathulo.
or I should put on my shoes, I then was directed to go to another table where there was Gininda and also Mohola.
Labafike bathatha khona-ke iy'thupha zami lapho.
There, that's where my fingerprints were taken.
Bathi bangithathela ukuthi kwaba ne-shooting eFosloras 2014.
The reason for the fingerprint, they said, is because there was a shooting that took place at Fosloras in the year 2014.
Ngiyithathe-ke nami noma ngiqeda ukuthatha iy'thupha bese kuvula ilokuzana nganoma ifile noma yini kuvulwa lo omunye abathi uMkhane bangaphosisi.
And then I took the fingerprint, and then after that they had something like a document or a file which was then opened by one official by the name of Mokhane.
No, ngiyaphambanisa. uMkhane uyo wangithatha iminwe. Umuntu wavula ifile uGininda.
No, I'm just making a mistake, my lord. The person that opened the file was Obani?
Mokhane.
Okay, Mokhane took the fingerprint and then Gininda opened the file.
And
then after the fingerprint, they made me to sign down
Now,
other papers.
Mr. Mube,
yeah.
There's a, I think, I can't remember whether it's a warrant officer or Sergeant Mokhane, who testified exclusively on his engagement during the course of the investigation of this case, particularly with accused number 2, Mr. Ntandi. Is that the Mokhane that you're referring to, or it's somebody else?
Manje ke uMokhane lo khuluma ngaye ke umuphi lo owathula ufakazi ethi uye wasebenza kakhulu naye accused number 2.
Yebo uye lo wayela ecourt ewangithatha imini.
Yes, I'm referring to the same Mokhane that came before the court. He's the one that took my fingerprints.
Okay.
Kodwa ukuthi uMkhane nguzwa ngoba sesilokhu siqhubeka necase.
But that she or he is Mokhane, I only heard of that when we were proceeding or continuing with the case.
So you never knew him that day as a Mr. Mokhane?
Kodwa ke ngalosuku loliya ubungamazi ukuthi uMr. Mokhane.
Angimazanga ngoba ngathi mangithi ngicela amagama abo uGininda wasengibonisa la wathi hayi ngobone mina babone bonke yabona.
I did not know their names when I requested to know who they were. Gininda now showed me his own name and he said